Great morning, students. Today we will discuss exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2. First of all, read this fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. Okay, every composite number can be expressed as a product of its prime factors. So first question is very simple. Read the statement. Express each number as a product of its prime factor. Just do the prime factorization of 140, 270, 235, then 5 7 ja. So 140 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. 140 is the composite number expressed as a product of its prime factors. Okay. Similarly, remain parts. Second, find the LCM and HCF of the following pair of integers. Verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. First part is 26, then 91. Take the LCM. 2 13, 7 13. So 26 is equal to 2 into 13. 91 is equal to 7 into 13. What is HCF? Highest common factor. Highest common factor is 13. LCM, least common multiple. Do the multiply. 13 into 14. 182. Then verify the result. In result, left hand side is equal to LCM into HCF. 182 into 13. Do the multiply here, right here. And then right hand side is equal to product of numbers. Product of two numbers. This is only applicable for the two numbers, not for the other. Multiply again. Then LCM into HCF is equal to product of numbers. First number into second number. Hence proved. Okay, just you will do the multiply 182 and 13, 26 and 91. Okay, then come on third. Find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. First is 12, 15 and 21. Take the LCM. Okay, and HCF. We require the prime factors. 2 6 ja, 2 3 ja, 3 5 ja, 3 7 ja. So 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. 15 is equal to 3 into 5. 21 is equal to 3 into 7. 3 3 3. Then HCF is equal to 3. And LCM is equal to 3 into here 2 power 2 is there into 5 into 7. Okay, this is 5 10 420. Okay, just this is required. Okay, least HCF is always 1. Okay, 1 से less HCF कभी नहीं होता. Least HCF is 1. Okay, 0 is never HCF. Only least HCF is 1. If there is no common factor between these two, then the HCF will be 1. Okay, then come on fourth. Here HCF of these two numbers 306 657 is equal to 9. We required the LCM of these two. To use this formula, LCM into HCF is equal to product of numbers. Then LCM is equal to product of numbers. If you put HCF on the right hand side, then it will in the division form. So LCM formula is product of numbers upon HCF. Product of number, two numbers are there. not product is not given, just numbers are given, then write in the, and HCF is a 9, cancel out it, then you will get the LCM. What is the formula? HCF into LCM is equal to product of numbers, then LCM is equal to product of numbers upon HCF. Similarly for the LCM, okay, and HCF for the HCF is equal to product of numbers upon LCM. Okay, then come on fifth. Check 6 power n can end with the digit 0 or not. 6 power n. Do the prime factor of 6. These are 2 and 3. 2 power n into 3 power n. Any number end with the digit, that number must contain 2 and 5. But here 5 is not a prime factor. 5 is not a prime factor of 6 power n. So it is not in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. So it cannot end, it cannot end with the digit 0. So it cannot end with the digit 0, where m and n are non-zero integers. Okay, means positive integers. Clear? 6 power n is equal to 2 into 3, 2 power n into 3 power n. 5 is not prime factors of 6 power n, so it is not in the form of 2 power m into 5 power m, where m and n are positive integers. Okay. Any number end with the digit 0, that number must contain 2 and 5 as a prime factor. But here only 2 is there, 5 is not there, so it cannot end with the digit 0. Then come on sixth. First part is there. 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. Then take 13 common, 13. 7 into 11 into 1, here 1 is left and here 1 is again left. Okay, write down in 2 brackets. So 13 into 77 into 1, 77 plus 1. So 13 into 78, do the multiply of these. Okay, these two. 13 is a prime factor of a given number. So given number has more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors. So it is composite. It is a composite. You know very well which are the composite numbers. Which number has more than 2 factor other than 1 and itself. If any factor other than 1 and itself, that number called composite number. And prime number which has exactly 2 factors, 1 and itself. Remain all numbers are composite number which has more than 2 factors. There are the 2 terms. Take 5 common from both terms. What is left? 6. Here 1 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Plus from here 1 is left. 5 into. Maybe 108. Okay. 42. 4 is 8. 168. 6 is. Okay, 108 is there. So 5 into 109. 5045. 5 is a prime factor of given numbers. So given number has more than two factors, more than two factors. So given number is a composite number. Okay, come on, seventh. There is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Suppose they are both start the same point in the same time and go in the same direction. Focus here on the same direction. For same direction, 99% we will use the LCM. After how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? Then the same direction is there and two times are there. Then find the LCM of 18 and 12. 2933, 2623. Then 18 is equal to 2 into 3 power 2 and 12 is equal to 2 power 2 into 3. Then LCM is equal to 2 power 2. Okay, there are 2 and 2. Highest power is 2. Same here 3. So 4 into 9, this is 36. So required time, they will meet again after 36 minutes. They will meet again after 36 minutes. Okay, for the same direction we just find the LCM. For here, take the LCM of these two and this is the required time. After 36 minutes they will meet again. Okay students, stay at home, be safe. Thank you.